Students, are you also facing problem to manage your geography for GS part? Because there is a problem, many students, they just rely on NCERT, and NCERT are not sufficient. These are very, very important but not sufficient. Whereas other books, Savinder Singh books and other books are bulky. And second problem is how to manage for prelims and mains, because in prelims they ask like places in news, they ask mapping part, and whereas in your mains part they ask general question. Okay, but we have to write geography answer. So we have a solution, we have complete geography module for you, and we kept the fees for this module is just 999 rupees. This you will get in recorded form, you will get recorded lectures. I tell you, we have around 45 recorded lecture in this program, where we have comprehensive prelims coverage and mains coverage for your geography part. Here you have MCQs practice, you have PYQ related to geography, plus on every lecture or per lecture we have provided 2 mains answer writing. Okay, current affair things will be included here. I will take geography mapping part is also a part of this program. You will get lectures on geography mapping, and I will take 3 to 4 live lecture on places in use in month of March 2026, which is going to be the latest thing. Otherwise the static part you will get in recorded form, and the latest thing places in use, that I will take live lecture in month of March 2026. And here all class recording and handouts are available on our app or portal. So if you are interested for this program, you can visit our website iassetu.com, or you can call on our reception number 8826619699. And again I tell you, we kept the fees of this program student friendly, affordable. The most affordable fees here is 999 rupees. Thank you, students.